For the black man seems a hope of easy. I and I are in a Mount Zion. Perfect love is to open that door. One perfect love is to open that door. And to live to the fire on the way.
This is beautiful. Let's all restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey